The health department says that there's been a decrease in the infection rate. However, the country still has a cause for concern with a daily positive case rate of 19% and the unpredictable epidemiology of the third wave coupled by non-compliance of COVID-19 regulations.
The third wave, it's dragging longer than the first wave and the second wave, which went up to the peak nationally and then started going down quite steeply. But the third wave is dragging at a high level. Sometimes it looks as if there's going to be a steep downwards and then it rises again. And in the absence of new variants, what this means is that many of us are not observing the prescribed precautions. Now, the risk of this is that by the time the fourth wave, which is predicted to come somewhere around November, by the time the fourth wave, possibly driven by a new variant, by the time it comes, it may find us still at the tail end of the third wave, which will mean that our health facilities and especially our health workers would not have had much rest.
While other provinces such as Gauteng are showing a decrease in infections, Health Minister Dr Joe Phaahla expressed concern over the high rates of infections in the Western Cape and the Northern Cape. The infection rates of those aged between 10 and 19 years in both provinces was also flagged.
Now, what is worrying is also that the Northern Cape has remained high, the numbers relative to its population, and that's why its positivity rate remained very high over a prolonged period. In fact, analysts, our epidemiologists often say that the Northern Cape never came out of the second wave. It came straight into the third wave. Now, another worrying trend is that in both provinces, there has been more younger people between the ages of 10 and 19 who have been testing positive.
On the country's vaccination rollout program, the 18 to 34-year-old age cohort was lauded for reaching highs of 99,000 daily vaccinations.
For the 18 to 34 vaccinations, as I said, we reached 81,000 on Friday the 20th, and the following on the Monday, we're able to reach 93,000. That is on the 23rd. On the 24th, another high figure of 99,000, and also 98,000 on the 25th. And yesterday, on the 26th, we were able to reach a figure of 89,000. That is only for those in the category of 18 to 34.
The department says it's looking into a Johnson & Johnson booster vaccine. However, its primary concern is the vaccination of its entire adult population. Over 2 million Pfizer vaccine doses donated by the United States will be arriving in the country on Saturday. Mahlako Komane, SABC News, Johannesburg.